In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tasks in ClickUp. This is a great way to show how two items are connected, track dependencies, and keep your workflow clear. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which relationship type to choose, so your projects stay organized and on track. First, open the task you want to link from. Think of this as your source task, the one where the relationship will be created and displayed. If you already have the task open in your workspace, you're good to go. If not, search for it or navigate through your lists and open it in the standard task view. Inside the task, look for the relationships area. You'll find it near other task attributes like status, assignees, tracker, or custom fields. It's usually in the right-hand panel or within the task details section. Click on relationships to expand that section. This is where you'll create and manage the link. Now, choose the type of link you want. If you just need a simple connection between two tasks without any dependency, pick Link Task. If your current task is waiting for another task to be completed first, select Waiting On. If your current task is preventing another task from moving forward, choose Blocking. You can also use Link Doc if you want to connect a ClickUp doc to this task, which is helpful for specs, notes, or checklists. And if your workspace has custom relationships set up, the custom option lets you apply a tailored connection that fits your team's process. Choosing the right type makes status and responsibility clearer for everyone. Next, select the task you want to link to. Use the search bar to find it by name, and make sure you're picking the correct one from your workspace. When you see the right task in the results, click it to prepare the link. If you selected Link Doc, you'll be searching among your docs instead of tasks, but the process is the same. To finish, click Add. You'll see the relationship appear right in the task view under Relationships, with the type you chose clearly labeled. This visual confirmation helps you quickly verify that the connection is set up the way you intended, and that's how you link tasks in ClickUp. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more actionable tips just like this.